Thank you for tuning in to this video. Today I'll be teaching you how to create a Google Docs outline and use the outline feature to quickly navigate through your documents. Before we get into the video, please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Be sure to hit the notification bell so you can be notified when we publish more videos. So let's get started. First, go to Google Docs and open a document. To convert a sentence into heading, select it and click the Styles drop-down arrow. From the drop-down menu, choose a heading. To convert multiple sentences to headings, hold the Control key, select all the sentences, and choose a heading style. If a heading has a trait, for example an underline that you want to apply to other headings, select the heading, go to the drop-down menu, hover over a heading option, and click Update Heading X to match. Click View, then Show Outline. An easier way to bring up the feature is to use the shortcut. Then, the outline appears on the left side of the document. You can also click the back arrow to close the outline and open it back whenever you need to by clicking the Show Document Outline icon. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If this video has helped you, remember to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and like this video. For more G Suite tips, watch these videos.